here it is. Here they are, I should say. And we're gonna do a quick unboxing because I gotta get to work. So, here we go. These are the new and improved Sure Grip Boardwalk Plus. Come in a big box like this. We'll take out the stuffing, the slips, and here is the box with the beloved skates inside. And I got the blueberry blue color, and it definitely looks just like Violet's dress in Willy Wonka. Well, the color, you'll see it in just a moment. Alrighty, here we go. So excited! Had to get them, had to. When I saw the Sure Grip Plus promotional video by Dirty Deborah on Instagram, I was like, I gotta have them. Gotta try them. And here they are. They're so pretty. Let's take them out of the plastic. My goodness. And the color is that much more beautiful in person. Let me just kind of show you here. Trying to focus on these lovely beauties. And you can see the lining is padded all throughout. It's got that nice padding all inside. My foot is gonna be so much more comfortable. It's gonna be great. There's that one. And of course, we gotta look at the other one too. And the right one. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I will continue this review once I've obviously put them on and tried them out, and I'm going to let you know my feedback on the comfort and the fit and the feel very shortly.